Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with the second part of our previous video. Okay, uh, the target 55. Okay, so in the previous video I have solved problems mainly from these chapters: AP, quadratic equations, linear equations, triangles, and circles. Right. So in this video, I will be solving the rest of the chapters like constructions, coordinate geometry, introduction to trigonometry, statistics, surface areas and volumes, and area related to circles. And here in this particular PDF, okay, uh, I have mainly taken the questions by which you can easily get 55. So they don't get confused with the 75 because the rest 20 marks question, okay, 20 to 25, the PDF of these questions, okay, they are mainly for the from the 3 to 4 mark section that I will be uploading separately. Okay, so it's yes, I will be solving, I will be preparing you for 75 plus marks. Okay, but in these two parts, that is the part 1 of 55 and the second part is only for 55 marks. So that's why I'm not taking this chapter here. Which one? This. Okay, because in this only one question will be asked in your final exam for 4 marks. So that will be covered in the next video. Okay, here I'm just taking for the students who have difficulty even to score more than 35. Okay, if like they are unable to score more than 30 also, for them it will be useful. If they practice these questions, definitely you can score more than 45, and if your practice is good, then yes, surely it will be around 55 marks that you can score. Okay, from these two videos which I have made till now. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start with I'll start with introduction to trigonometry first. Okay, so let me see where are the questions. Yes, it's here. Okay, so only, yeah, so only we have 8 questions here. So if you practice these questions properly and if you understand the concept, definitely you are going to score 4 marks out of 7. Okay, you can see it here. So from this chapter you will get 7 marks. So I have covered here only for 4 marks. Got it? The rest 3 will be in the other PDF as well as the video. Okay, so let us start without wasting our much of time here. And if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it, and if you find this video useful after watching it till last, do share it with your friends. Okay, so let us start. Question number 1: given tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle theta. Okay, so just understand this concept. There is a theta they have given, okay, tan theta, which is equal to 4 by 3. So tan theta is how much? 4 by 3. Now we need to find the other trigonometric ratios like sine theta, cos theta, okay, then sec theta, then you have cosec theta, and at last we need to find cot theta. So how are you going to do this? So remember a trick. Okay, before that trick, see, whenever you have theta, like if it is here this side, if I write this as ABC, side AB is called as opposite. I will represent it as O. Okay, and this is angle B is 90 degrees, so the opposite of 90 is called as what? Hypotenuse. So I'll represent this as H. So O and H you got, and the remaining side is called as adjacent. Got it? So remember this. And now remember this name. There is a guy, his name is Sohail. Someone asked him, where are you going? He was going to America. So he answered to America. Now Sohail, this is kahan. Kahan represents where in Hindi, if you know at least this. So Sohail kahan ja raha hai? To America. Now what is this? See, S represents sine, O for opposite, H for hypotenuse. So sine is O by H. Remember this. C for cos, A, H, adjacent, hypotenuse. Okay. To America, this is for tan, O by A. So if you remember these three, the rest they are easier. Why? Because tan is reciprocal of cot. So this becomes A by O. Got it? Sec is reciprocal of cos. So this becomes reciprocal H by A. And cosec is reciprocal of sine. So this becomes H by O. Okay. So if you know this trick, you are easily going to solve any type of problem given. Okay. Now using this data, we have the value of O. What is that? 4, right? And A as how much? 3. What about this? So you can find it using Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to O square plus A square, right? I hope you know this. So this is 4 square. H will be root of 4 square plus 3 square. So 16 plus 9, which is equal to root 25. So H is how much? Yes, it is 5. So you have got H also. So now you have O, A and H. Now just substitute A by H. It represents 3 by 5. H by A. Just reciprocal. This is 5 by 3. What about sine? O by H. It is 4 by 5. Correct? Now cosec is reciprocal of this. That is 5 by 4. And cot is reciprocal of tan. That is 3 by 4. Isn't it easier? Actually, this method is the easiest. Press the like button if you have understood this. Okay, moving to the next question. I hope you have clearly understood the concept as well as this question. Okay, moving to the question number 2. So in question number 2, they have given in the figure find tan alpha and cot beta. So here is the figure. Again, let me write it. I will write two figures here. Okay, this is alpha and here they have given beta. Okay, they can give theta also. And this is 12, this is 13, we don't know this. Again, this is 12, this is 13, we don't know this. So let me name, they have given it as PQR and even this is PQR. Now we need to find tan alpha. What is tan alpha? Again, if this is theta, beta, gamma, anything they can give, they have mentioned this angle as alpha. So it is O by A, correct? What about cot beta? It is reciprocal of this, A by O. But if you look at here, this is alpha. So angle is here. So its opposite side is called as O. This is 90. So this is called as H. And what is this? This is A. Okay. So this you have to use for, okay, let me just replace it. Yeah, let me write it wherever we need to find tan alpha from this triangle and cot beta from this. So if this is angle, this opposite side is called as O, opposite of given angle. Here the angle was given here, so this is called opposite. And this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. Do we know the value of A? No. See, for B also we need to find A by O, and for this also O by A. We don't have, we have O and H in both the cases, A and H. Here A is missing, like here QR is missing, again here QR is missing. So to find QR you need to use Pythagoras theorem. Again here if I use H square is equal to, I am using in this O square plus A square. So 13 square is equal to 12 square plus A square. This is 169 minus 144. This is A, which is equal to 5 2. So A is 5. Again this QR is 5. Here also this becomes 5, right? Now directly you can do O, A by O. What is A here? 5. What is O here? 12. So cot beta is 5 by 12. That's all. Isn't it simpler? Similarly, in this figure, what is tan alpha? O by A. So O here is 5 and A is 12. So even this is same. Can you see the answer? Yes. But why it is same even though this is cot and this is tan? Yeah, this is different because and same because angle we have taken at the other side. Okay, one is at P, other is at R. That's why. Understood? Okay, moving to the next question now. So the question number 3 says, if sine A is equal to 3 by 4, find cos A and tan A. So again, A represents angle. So this means this is A. Okay. So they have given sine A. as 3 by 4. It means what? They have given O by H. So if theta is here, this is opposite. 90 is here, this is hypotenuse, this is A. So they have given O as how much? 3. H as how much? 4. Again, what is A? So we need to find. Use again Pythagoras theorem. I will use it directly. 4 square is equal to 3 square plus A square. So this is 16 and this is 9, which is equal to A square. So A is root of how much? 16 minus 9 is 7, correct? So A is root 7. We can't solve this, so we'll keep it as it is. A is root 7. So now substitute. You need to find cos A. Cos A is what? A by H. What is A here? Root 7. Correct? What is H? It is 4. So this is the answer. Now what about tan A? Tan A is O by A. So in this figure, what is O? 3. And what is A? Just now we find out 7. So this is the answer. Understood? So I hope you are getting it. And one more thing, if they give this type of question in MCQ and they have asked this tan A, but in the option you don't have this, then what you are going to do? So if you look at this, root 7 is given. So you can just rationalize whenever you get a number like root 7, root 5, then just rationalize it. Okay, this will be 3 root 7 and this will be 7. So you may get this in the option and that is your final answer if they have not given this one. Got it? Both of them are right. So I hope you have understood. Moving to the next question, question number 4. So in fourth question they have given evaluate A sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. If they have given nothing, it means into sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. So what is sine 60? You can write it first. Okay, let me write it here itself, but you write it properly in your exam. Sine 60 is, if you know, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So for sine it goes like this, for cos it goes like this, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. For sine 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. It will be better if you write this in your for your final exam. It will be better if you write this in the last page to refer it easily. Okay, and also for the tan. Okay, what is tan? 0, uh, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and infinity, correct? So sine 60 is this much. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is same, root 3 by 2. What about sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 again 1 by 2. So just multiply them now. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into, this is again root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 is just 3. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. So taking 4 as LCM, you will get 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 by 4, and that is 1. So the answer is 1. For this question, the answer is 1. I hope it is clear. Now coming to this question. So 1 minus tan 45. What is tan 45? It is 1. So I'll write 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus again 1 square. So 1 minus 1 is 0 by 1. Anything multiply or divide by 0 is always 0. So answer is 0 for this question. Got it? Now again evaluate tan 45 and tan 25. Okay, so whenever you get question where the degree is mentioned other than 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, remember it is from the complementary type question. Got it? So here you can say this is 45 but this is 25. So either of numerator or denominator you have to change. Got it? Using complementary rule. So I will keep this as it is, tan 45 degree. Now cot 25. What can I write 25 as in the form of 90? Can I write? I think there is some mistake in this question. This is just a minute. Yeah, this is 65. Change it. This is my mistake, error. Make it 65. Okay, so tan 65, what will be this? 90 minus 65, correct? 90 minus 65 is this one, 90 minus 65. So tan 65 is as it is. Here cot of 90 minus 65 is what? Tan 65, because cot is a complementary of tan, so both of them will get cancelled. Again you will get answer as 1. Okay, now again this, so this you can keep as it is, tan 48 minus, here sine you can write as it is, but instead of 42 write 90 minus, how much will you get? How much should you subtract from 90 to get 42? 48. So what is sine minus 48? It is cos 48. So cos 48 minus cos 48 is 0. Okay, so most of the time for complementary, if you are getting like division form, numerator by denominator, you'll get answer 1. If you are getting addition like this, you'll get 1 plus 1 2, and subtraction it is 0. So remember this. Okay, and for multiplication most of the time you'll get answer as 1. For multiplication and division the answer is maximum, most of the time it is 1. For addition it is 2, and for subtraction it is 0. So keep this in mind. Okay, I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question, question number 7. So the question number 7 says the value of 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is dash. So this you have to use the identity. What is tan 1 plus tan square a? It is sec square a, divided by 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. So you will get something like this. Now reduce this. Always try to bring them in sine and cos. So 1 by, we can write this as cos square a, and similarly this can be written as 1 by sine square a. Now write it like this, 1 by cos square a into sine square a by 1. So this is sine square a into 1 is sine square a, and this is cos square a, which is equal to tan square a. This type of question you can also get in the form of prove that this by this is equal to tan square a. Okay, so that type you will get for 2 marks. So just follow this step, you will get the answer. Understood? I hope it's clear. Now moving to the last question of the trigonometry here. If you practice these type of questions, you are definitely going to score how much? Yes, it is around 5 marks. Am I sure? Let me check. Yeah, you will get 3 marks. Definitely you are going to, sorry, 4 marks. This is of 2. Definitely you are going to get 4 marks. Okay. Okay, so moving to the uh, last question. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. So they have given prove that cos by 1 plus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta by cos theta is equal to 2 sec theta. So even this type of question you can expect for 2 as well as 3 marks. Okay, so I will show you how to solve it. Okay, it's very easy. Just look at here. First you write question always. LHS you can write first. So it is cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta, okay, plus 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so whenever you have something like this is in the form of a plus b whole by c. So can we write this as a by c plus b by c? Yes, we can write it. So I'll write it like that itself. But what about here? This is not in this form. This is the reciprocal, c by a plus b, and you can't write c by a plus c by b. That is the wrong method. Okay, so for that what you can do, whenever you get in the denominator like this a plus b form, always do rationalization. See what? Rationalization. It can be done like this. So multiply and divide by whatever you have in the denominator. It is 1 plus sine theta, so denominate multiply with 1 minus sine theta and divide by 1 minus sine theta. Always follow this. Rationalize the denominator. Plus this you can write it as 1 by cos theta plus sine theta by cos theta. Okay, now you multiply here, you will get cos theta into 1 minus sine theta, and here if you look, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So using that rule we get a square minus b square. So here a is 1 square, that is 1, minus sine. What is sine square? Sine into sine is sine square theta, plus what is 1 by cos theta? Yes, it is sec theta, isn't it? And what is sine by cos theta? It is tan theta. So I'll write it as it is. Now see, I will write this cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Now what is 1 minus sine square theta? As per identity, that is cos square theta plus sine square theta, which is equal to 1. What is 1 minus sine square theta? Yes, it is cos square theta. So I will write here cos square theta, and this one I will keep as it is. Okay. Now one of the cos will get cancelled. Cos theta by cos theta will get cancelled, and here you will get 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta plus sec theta here plus tan theta again. So now again, if you see, this is in the form of this, so you can write in this form, correct? 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sec theta plus tan theta. So 1 by cos theta is sec theta minus this is tan theta plus sec theta, plus tan theta. So plus theta tan theta will get cancelled, isn't it? And sec theta plus sec theta is 2 sec theta, and that is the required RHS. So hence it is proved. Understood? So it's very simple. You just have to understand and do. I hope you have understood all the questions, all the types of question from the trigonometry, and just change this question. Okay, this is 65. Okay, I have told you while solving this. So that's all for from trigonometry. Now we'll see another chapter. So even this is done. So which chapter should I start? So I will start with area related to circle, because this is easier one. So I'll finish it first. Okay, where is the question? Yeah, it's here. Okay, so from this chapter you are going to get totally overall 4 marks you will going to get, but here to make it easier I have just taken the questions which you can expect for 1 marks. In the 3 mark question I will be solving in the next video. Okay, here just the easy ones from which you can easily score 55. Okay, so let us see the type of questions that can be asked from this chapter. Area related to circles. The part of a circle enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc is dash, is called as dash. So there is a circle like this, part of the circle enclosed by 2 radii. Okay, so these are the 2 radii. Example like this. These are the 2 radii and the corresponding arc, and this is the corresponding arc. So which part is getting enclosed? Yeah, it is this part. So it is called as sector of the circle. What is it called? Yeah, it is called as sector of the circle. Just remember R here. R from the sector. R for sector and R for radii. Why I am saying this? Because if they give like this, there is a chord and an arc. Now what is this area called as? The enclosed area is called as segment. So to avoid confusion, I am telling you to remember this trick. If there is radii mentioned as well as arc, so R represents sector, because in segment you don't have radius, it's only chord. Got it? Now coming to second, a part of circular region enclosed by a chord and the corresponding arc. See, same question. Chord and arc. This region is called as what? Segment. Got it? So it's very easy to remember following this trick. If you find it a better one, do press the like button. Okay, I hope you have done it already. The formula next is the formula to find the area of sector. So see, if this is a circle, what is its area? Its area is pi r square. And what about its total length, that is circumference? It is 2 pi r. So remember, whenever they give area of sector, use the same formula pi r square, area of triangle circle formula, but just multiply with theta by 360. Just remember, total angle is 360 and this is theta. Got it? This is the area of sector. Now if they ask length of arc, okay, again length of arc of a sector, this length, example from here to here. So again total length is 2 pi r. Just multiply with theta by 360. That's all. It's very simple to remember. This is the length of arc of the sector. I hope you have understood this. Last question. So here they have asked, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter and angle 30. So they have asked area. So use this formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So what is theta? That is angle 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi. You can write it as 22 by 7. R is radius. They have given it as 4. So 4 square, that is 4 into 4 you can write. So how to solve this? So 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, and this is 3 2s, so this is 12. Now 4 ones are 4 3s are correct. So on solving this, how much will you get? This is 88 divided by 7 3s are 21. Okay, so you can just solve this. 88 by 21, 21 4s are how much? 84, correct? 4 ones are 4 and 4 2s are 84 divided by this is 4, correct? Point 0. So 21 2s are, if you take 42, so 21 ones are 21 I will write. So it is just 4.1. You can write 4.1 centimeter square. The unit is very important. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the questions, the easier questions from area related to circles. So we have almost covered at least, I think, more than half of the portion. Next we'll move to which chapter? We'll move to yes, yeah, surface areas and volume. Okay, so let us see questions from surface areas and volume. So from this chapter you are going to get total of 6 to 7 marks. Okay, to be approximate, it is 6 to 7 marks. Okay, because 3 questions of single marks, MCQ 1 marks, 1 marks, and 1 question for 3 marks has been asked for in the model as well as the preparatory, state level preparatory. But in final it may change, like you may get 1 question for 4 mark or 5 mark also sometime, and the rest question will be for 1 or 2 marks. Okay, so here if you practice this, minimum you can get is 2 to 3. Okay, so let us start one by one. Find the slant height of a cone of base radius 5 centimeter and height 12. So this is a cone, this is called as base radius, this is in the form of a actually right angle. Okay, this is called as height, this is slant height. So L, the slant height they have asked. Okay, they have given radius as 5 and height as 12. So if you know the Pythagoras triplet, you can directly answer. The answer is 13, right? Or else just solve using Pythagoras theorem. This is 12 square plus 5 square, which is equal to 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169, and that is equal to 13. So the answer of this is 13. Moving to the next question. Write the formula to find the LSA, TSA and volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. You are definitely going to get a question on these formulae, LSA, TSA and volume of these 7 solid figures. Okay, so to make your work easier, I have made different videos, okay, only to explain how to remember these formulae. Okay, so kindly do watch them. The link is there in the description box. Okay, in the name of surface areas and volume formulae. Okay, so you can just click over there and watch it. It's very easier. Next, third one. Find the LSA of a cylinder if perimeter of its base is 88 and height is 10. So cylinder is like this, correct? So they have given and they have asked you LSA. LSA, or they can also sometimes mention it as CSA. Okay, both of them are same. What is LSA? It is 2 pi r into h, correct? Now look at the question. They have given perimeter of its base this is base, it is in circular form, so it means they have given 2 pi r, which is circumference, that is equal to 88, and the height they have given as 10 centimeter. Correct. Now what is LSA? 2 pi r, directly you can write it as 88 into h is 10, which is equal to 880 centimeter square. So it's very easier. Most of the time they have asked this question, so practice it properly. Next is question number 4. Write the formula to find the slant height of a cone and slant height of frustum of a cone. So for a cone, slant height is just use that formula, Pythagoras formula, h square plus r square. Okay. And what about slant height of a frustum? It is same. L is equal to, this is again same, h square plus, here in frustum, since you have two radii, okay, one at the top, other at the bottom, you have to remember the bigger one minus the smaller one whole square. Here it is just r, here it is r1 minus r2 whole square. Okay, you just remember this. Here R1 is bigger than R2. Keep this in mind. Okay, bigger means this will be R1 and this will be R2. Got it? So I hope you have understood this as well. Moving to the next question now. So the question number 5 is, if the radius of a cylinder is 7 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter, find its volume. So again, this is cylinder. The volume formula is pi r square h. Correct? So they have given radius as 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 square into height is 5. Right, so 7 and one of the 7 will get cancelled, so now this will become 5 2 is a 10, 5 2 is a 10, 1 11, correct, into 7, so 11 7 is a 77 and 1 0, so this is this much centimeter cube. Remember, volume is always written in cube. Got it? Next is sixth one. If the surface area of a sphere, okay, is 616 centimeter square, find its radius. So what is the formula to find surface area of a sphere? It is 4 pi r square, correct, which is equal to 616. So what will be r square? It will be 616, isn't it, divided by 4 pi. Got it? Now just substitute this value. This is 22 by 7, so 7 will come here. Now on solving this will get cancelled by 4 ones of 4. Let me do it like this. 4 ones of 4, 2 1, 4 5 is a 20, 1 6 4 4 is a 16. So you'll get 4 154 is a. Now 154 into 7 by 22. So this, if you look, it is getting cancelled by 7, correct? 22 7s are 154, 7 7s are 49, which is r square. So what will be r? Root of 49, which is 7. So r is 7 centimeter. That's all. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Next is question number 7. A sphere of radius 9 is melted and reshaped into cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of cylinder. So this type of question you may expect for 2 marks. Okay, if they are asking for 2 marks, you can expect such questions. So sphere, this is the sphere of radius they have given 9 centimeter. It is melted and reshaped into a cylinder of this base radius, how much? 6 centimeter. Find the height. Okay, so whenever we melt a substance, okay, into one from one figure to another, volumes remains the same. So volume of this is pi r square h, sorry, 4 by 3 pi r cube, not h, isn't it? And for this it is pi r square h. So substitute both of them. Here pi will get cancelled. 4 by 3 into r is 9, so 9 into 9 into 9, because it is r cube here. Here r square, r is almost 36, so 6 into 6 into what is h, it is unknown. So on solving this you'll get 9, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So 4 3 is a 12 into 9 9 is a 81, which is equal to 36h. So bring this 36 to this side, it will be written like this. So 12 1s are 12, 12 3 is a 36, 3 1s are 3, 3 27s are 81. So h is how much? 27 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 27 centimeter. I hope it's clear. Moving to question number 8. The formula to find the circumference of the base of a cylinder. Okay, so again this is the cylinder base. So it is in the shape of circle. So formula for circumference of circle is 2 pi r. That's all. Next, a funnel is a combination of a dash and a dash. So if you look at a funnel, okay, this is the bottom part and this is the top part, correct? So this is what? A frustum, correct? This is a frustum. And what about this cylinder? So you may get this question in MCQ. So funnel is a combination of a frustum and a cylinder. Now the last question. The frustum of a cone shaped jaggery, okay, this is jaggery, not jaggerly, is melted, cone shaped. So it was something like this, okay, it was jaggery. It is melted and remolded completely to form the shape of a sphere. This becomes a sphere. Then the volume of sphere is, it is same, correct? It remains the same. Okay, whenever, as it's told, whenever a solid is changed from one to another figure, the volume remains the same. So since they have given volume of the sphere, this is a MCQ question, so they will give question like is double or half or same or triple. So the answer is same. Volume remains the same. Okay, so we have covered one more chapter known as surface areas and volume. Got it? Even triangle is done, linear is done, quadratic done, AP done. Now we'll move to even circle is done. We'll move to, yes, constructions. Okay. Okay, so I'll just wind up this video here. Sorry to say this, because it's already around 37 minutes I have taken. So we'll, in the next video I'll just finish these three chapters: constructions, statistics, and what is that, coordinate geometry. Okay, sorry for that. The link is will be provided in the, yeah, description box. Okay, so part 1 2 and the third part 2 will be available soon. Thank you for watching. Kindly bear for few more minutes. Okay, sorry, for few more, sorry, the next video. In that I'll be definitely solving the next three, because they are little lengthier ones. So if I continue here, it may take more than half an hour again, so it will be a little lengthier. So to avoid that, I will make a separate video for that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do like, comment, and share it with your friends. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a great time. Practice well, and all the best for your exams. See you.